Baiklah, sebelum kita mulai, mari kita berdoa terlebih dahulu. Berdoa mulai. Berdoa selesai. Baik, untuk listening kali ini kita sudah sampai pada skill yang keempat, listening, yaitu berupa, sebentar, nih, who, what, and where. Who, what, and where. Jadi fokus pada siapa, apa, dan di mana. Jadi ketika mendengarkan recording, pikiran kita sudah mulai mengkonklusikan atau sudah mulai ambil ancang-ancang, misal nanti ada disebut nama orang atau pronoun atau tempat gitu ya. Misal contohnya di sini ada recordingnya. Can you tell me what assignments I missed when I was absent from your class? Terus fokus ke dua. You miss one homework assignment and a quiz. Who who is the man? Who is the man? Berarti yang kedua. Who is the man? Nah, ini kan ada woman yang bertanya yang bertanya, "Can you tell me what assignment? Dapatkah kamu mengatakan padaku tugas apa? Assignments itu tugas apa yang aku lewatkan atau kosong ya ketika was absent, ketika aku tidak masuk di kelasmu." Gitu ya. Jawabannya, you miss one homework assignment and a quiz. Nah, pertanyaannya, who is the man? Berarti yang cowok. Kira-kira yang cowok itu siapa? Newspaper editor, police officer, teacher, apa students? Tadi kan woman-nya bilang your class. Ya, ini harus diperhatikan juga your class. Nah, berarti teacher. Who. Nah, sekarang yang contoh yang kedua. Ini berarti yang who ya. Who, siapa. Kemudian yang kedua. Are you going to read the books here in the library? Are you going to read the books here in the library? Man-nya jawab, I think I'd rather check them out now and take them home. What will the man probably do next? What will the man probably do next? Berarti kan kata kerja apa yang laki-laki mungkin akan lakukan? Kan ditanya, are you going to read these books in the library? Terus dia bilang, I think I'd rather check them out now. Berarti kalau dia bilang saya lebih baik mengambilnya sekarang ya dan membawanya pulang. In your textbook or on the computer screen you read, what will the man probably do next? Sit down in the library. Nggak mungkin dia kan bilang check them out. Berarti di sini what ya, yang tadi who, yang sekarang what. Sit down in the library, look for some more books. Ini hampir mirip tapi kan ada kata more. Berarti kan lebih banyak atau buku tambahan. Padahal tadi nggak ada keterangan untuk itu. Kemudian return the books to the shelves. Return, mengembalikan. Padahal masih mau check out ya. Check out itu biasanya di eh, bahasa Inggris tuh boleh ya. Check out them atau themnya taruh tengah. Check, check them out. Gitu ya. Berarti bukan return, bukan mengembalikan, tapi go to the circulation desk. Go to the circulation desk. Berarti ini adalah rak buku ya. Circulation desk itu rak buku yang ada di perpustakaan. Ini masih sama dengan skill-skill yang sebelumnya. Lihat, ini kan kalau dilihat dari recordingnya, jawaban D ini jawaban yang paling tidak mirip dengan recording, ya toh? Apa ada di sini circulation? Circulation kan nggak ada di pertanyaannya, nggak ada circulation. Atau pronunciation yang mirip circulation dash kan nggak ada. Nah, kembali lagi ke skill yang berapa kemarin, skill 3 kalau nggak salah. Hindari jawaban yang sangat mirip dengan recording, ya toh? Kemudian kalau ini library, library ini juga disebutkan di recording. Kemudian books disebutkan juga. Books disebutkan juga. Justru yang D ini justru yang paling nggak disebutkan. Jadi ketika kalian benar-benar mentok nggak tahu jawaban yang benar, pilih aja yang paling menyimpang daripada recordingnya. Itu cara terakhir ya. Kemudian ini tadi sudah who, what, sekarang coba where berarti. Contoh, are you going into the water? Water. Or are you just going to lie there on the sand? Lie itu berbaring ya, ini berbaring. Ada dua pilihan ya. Apakah kamu ingin pergi ke air, kayak kungkum, nyemplung ya, atau kamu pergi berbahan di pasir? Kemudian jawabannya, man, I think I need to put on some suntan lotion. Suntan lotion. Berarti kira-kira hubungan kira-kira apa? Where ya. Di sini where. Nah, ini where. Pilihannya tadi di water atau di sand. Water atau sand. Where does this conversation probably take place? Where, di mana kira-kira percakapan ya, conversation, percakapan itu terjadi. Beauty salon, gak mungkin. In a sandbox, enggak. Outdoor restaurant, enggak. Ini at the beach, sangat mudah. Oke. Kemudian conclusion about who, what, and where. Nah, jadi di sini conclusion about who, what, and where. It is common for you to be asked to draw one of the following conclusion in the short dialogues. Who is probably talking? Siapa yang sedang berbicara? What will she or he probably do next? Apa yang akan dilakukan? Kemudian, where does the dialogue probably take place? Di mana dialog itu terjadi? Ini sering di mana itu namanya? TOEFL. Oke, sekarang listening. Praktek listening. Silakan Mbak Pita dan Mbak Rizka untuk didengarkan dan dijawab. Praktek listening sesuai dengan skill keempat.
Kak ono Mbak Rizka.
Ya wes, ndang dirungokne wis nggak headset dong. Iki di-record loh. Ayo di-record lagi. Apakah sudah siap mendengarkan?
Siap.
Silakan dijawab di oret-oretan. Ini saya putar 1 kali sampai selesai, nanti saya ulangi lagi.
TOEFL Exercise 4. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You will have to draw conclusions about who, what, and where. Number 1.
I didn't bring my laboratory manual today.
You can share mine. Today we're conducting the experiment on photosynthesis, and we can work together.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 2.
This is Flight 707 requesting permission to land.
Flight 707, you are cleared for landing.
Who is the man? Number 3.
You want to do the dishes now or later?
I'd rather put them off as long as possible.
What will the man probably do?
Sik-sik madep-madep nyumuk Ces.
Number 4.
How much of a tip should I leave?
Oh, $1's plenty. The service wasn't very good.
Where does this conversation probably take place?
Apa ya nomor papat pedot-pedot.
Ya sih, ya tak baleni.
Number 5.
Can I?
Take place.
Good.
Where does this conversation probably take
Service.
How much of a tip should I leave?
Oh, $1's plenty. The service wasn't very good.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 5.
Can I pick up my shoes on Tuesday? I need them for a party that night.
They should be fixed by then.
Who is the man? Number 6.
Did you get pictures of the lions?
Yes. And now let's go to the other side of the park. I want to see the exotic birds.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 7.
Could you put the letters in the pending file now?
Yes, then I can answer them tomorrow.
What will the woman probably do tomorrow? Number 8.
The lights are flashing and everyone's going in.
We should take our seats now before the second act starts.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 9.
Have you responded to Bob's dinner invitation yet?
I'll take care of it right away.
What will the man probably do next? Number 10.
Can you fill this prescription for me?
If you leave the prescription, I can have it filled in about 10 minutes.
Who is the woman?
Oke, saya rasa jelas ya. Mau diulangi apa sudah?
Diulangi.
Ya,
Tidak jelas.
ya tak ulangi pisan maneh.
Sik-sik.
TOEFL
Kita
exercise
buka
4.
Yuk, lanjut, yuk, lanjut.
In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You will have to draw conclusions about who, what, and where. Number 1.
I didn't bring my laboratory manual today.
You can share mine. Today we're conducting the experiment on photosynthesis, and we can work together.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 2.
This is Flight 707 requesting permission to land.
Flight 707, you are cleared for landing.
Who is the man? Number 3.
You want to do the dishes now or later?
I'd rather put them off as long as possible.
What will the man probably do? Number 4.
How much of a tip should I leave?
Oh, $1's plenty. The service wasn't very good.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 5.
Can I pick up my shoes on Tuesday? I need them for a party that night.
They should be fixed by then.
Who is the man? Number 6.
Did you get pictures of the lions?
Yes. And now let's go to the other side of the park. I want to see the exotic birds.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 7.
Could you put the letters in the pending file now?
Yes, then I can answer them tomorrow.
What will the woman probably do tomorrow? Number 8.
The lights are flashing and everyone's going in.
We should take our seats now before the second act starts.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 9.
Have you responded to Bob's dinner invitation yet?
I'll take care of it right away.
What will the man probably do next? Number 10.
Can you fill this prescription for me?
If you leave the prescription, I can have it filled in about 10 minutes.
Who is the woman?
Sudah, silakan jawabannya diketikkan di chat box. Kita lihat berapa yang benar. Baik, kita lihat. Masa pengen pindah putus-putus. Oke, nomor 1. Sik.
Skip ngono langsung ujuk-ujuk nek. Number 9 ngono.
Alah.
Oh ya. Tapi wifi-nya ada error dina-dina iki.
Nomor 1 bener, nomor 2 bener, nomor 3 bener, nomor 4 salah, nomor 5 gak oleh iki jawabe loro, nomor 6 C 6C betul, 7A betul, 9C betul, 10A betul. Berarti oke, kita bahas satu-satu ya. Yeah.
TOEFL exercise
Yeah.
4. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You will have to draw conclusions about who, what, and where. Number 1.
I didn't bring my laboratory manual today.
I didn't bring my laboratory manual today. Laboratory manual itu kayak modul apa sih ini? Praktikum.
You can share mine.
You can share mine.
Today we're conducting the experiment on photosynthesis, and
Today we are conducting ya kayak conducting the photosynthesis experiment. Nah, kira-kira dari situ kan udah kelihatan ya.
we can work together.
We can work together.
Where does this conversation probably take place?
Nah, where does the conversation probably take place? Nah, tadi ada fotografi studio. Ini untuk mengecoh karena tadi di recordingnya kita dengar ada fotosintesis. Ya, skill yang sebelumnya jangan dipilih yang mirip dengan recording. Kemudian in a biology laboratory. Nah, ini sih betul ya. In an office nggak mungkin ya kantor untuk praktikum. In the library juga nggak mungkin. Jadi jawabannya sangat jelas yaitu B, betul. Next.
Number 2.
This is Flight 707 requesting permission to land.
This is flight 707 requesting the line apa ya? Requesting the line.
Flight 707, you are
Flight 707
cleared for landing.
you are cleared
is the
for
man?
landing. Who is the man? Pilot ya, jelas banget ya. Flight attendant itu kayak bukan ya. Kemudian member of the ground crew enggak. Biasanya yang laporan seperti itu memang pilot ya. Ada yang dia clearing land itu mengecoh karena tadi memang ada yang recordingnya yang bilang seperti itu. Flight juga ada. Number jadi member ya jadinya. Oke, next nomor 3 jawabannya yang A. Sekarang nomor 3.
Number 3.
You want to do the dishes now or later?
I'd
You want to do the dishes now or later?
rather put them off as long as possible.
I'd rather put them off as long as possible. Kalau kita mau yang pakai cara cepat, yang C pasti salah karena dia terlalu mirip dengan recordingnya. Yang B juga. Kemudian yang A juga salah. Immediately itu kan kebalikan dari as long as possible. Immediately itu kan sesegera mungkin ya. Dia kan bilang dia mau menunggu as long as possible. Berarti menunggu wait until later to clean up. Wait berarti dia mau menunggu. Ya, yang B sama C itu terlalu mirip dengan recording pasti salah. Kemudian yang A itu walaupun tidak mirip tapi dia kontradiktif dengan arti dari recording yang as long as possible. Jadi yang paling benar adalah yang D. Nomor 4.
What will the man probably do?
Tadi itu ya pertanyaan nomor 3. What will the man probably do? Jadi kira-kira dia mau ngapain? Kok menunggu? Karena menunggu itu dibersihin dulu. Nomor 4.
Number 4.
How much of a tip should I leave?
Oh,
How much of the tips should I leave? Mau ngasih tip. Berapa banyak should yang seharusnya saya tinggalkan atau saya berikan?
$1 plenty. The service wasn't very good.
The service wasn't very good. Wasn't ya. Ada n-nya berarti mengandung negatif ya. No. Wasn't good. Berarti tidak bagus. Berarti kira-kira yang eh the conversation probably take place di mana yang kira-kira biasanya ngasih tips. Di bank nggak mungkin, nggak ada yang ngasih tips. Di service station nggak, di salon kecantikan nggak. Biasanya di restoran atau di hotel ya. Ini adanya di restoran. Nomor 4, Tomang Ciro 4B. Nomor 5.
Where does this conversation probably take place?
Oh, itu sih nomor 4. Sekarang nomor 5.
Number 5.
Can I pick up my shoes on Tuesday? I need them for a party that night.
Can I pick up my shoes on Thursday ya kayaknya. Because I want to in the party ya. Kayaknya tadi untuk dia mau memakainya untuk pesta.
They should be fixed by then.
That should be fixed by then. Fix. Should be fixed. Seharusnya diperbaiki segera. Fix itu diperbaiki di yes pokok fix itu artinya memperbaiki. Should be fixed berarti diperbaiki. Berarti kira-kira di mana ngomong sepatu kemudian diperbaiki.
Who is the man?
Who is the man? Man-nya kira-kira siapa? Sales clerk in a shoe store? Bukan. Shoe repair person ya, yang B ya. Berarti orang yang memperbaiki yang memperbaiki sepatu. Ya, repair. Karena tadi ada fix. Fix sama repair itu sama ya. Repair memperbaiki, fix juga memperbaiki. Tapi ini jadi kata benda ya. A shoe repair person. A shoe repair person berarti profesi ya. Profesi orang yang memperbaiki sepatu. Jadi ini kayak di parafrase ya. Oke, 5B. 6.
Number 6.
Did you get pictures of the lions?
Yeah.
Did you get picture of the lion?
And now let's go to the other side of the park.
And now let's go to another side of park ya kalau nggak salah.
I want to see the exotic birds.
I wanna see the exotic bird. Berarti kira-kira itu di mana itu?
Where does this conversation probably take place?
Di mana probably take place? Playground nggak mungkin ada hewan-hewannya. Parking lot, walaupun tadi bilang park. Nah ini mengecoh ya parking lotnya. Foto studio juga salah, walaupun tadi ada kata-kata take foto ya. Yang paling benar adalah at the zoo, yang kemungkinan ada banyak hewan-hewannya kan di kebun binatang. Dan zoo itu benar-benar berbeda dari recordingnya. Oke. Jawabannya yang C. 7.
Number 7.
Could you put the letters in the pending file now?
Yes.
Could you put the file on the depending letter ya? Coba apa ya tadi?
File now?
Yes.
In the depending file now,
And I can answer them tomorrow.
and I can answer them tomorrow. Nah, saya ulangi.
Tomorrow. Yes. Then I can answer them tomorrow.
Could you put the letters in the pending file now?
Could you put the letter on the depending file now?
Yes. Then I can answer them tomorrow.
Then I can answer them tomorrow. Pertanyaannya,
What will the woman probably do tomorrow?
nah, kira-kira tomorrow itu woman-nya mau ngapain? Dia kan bilang besok, berarti diapain? Diresponnya besok, ya kan? Berarti jawabannya A, 7A. Yang B lihat, put the letters. Tadi ada di recording, salah. A pending file, tadi juga ada di recording. File the answers she received to the letter, salah. Jawabannya yang A.
Number 8.
The lights are flashing and everyone's going in.
We should take our seats now before the second act starts.
We could the seat now before the second actor. Yang awalnya cowoknya bilang apa?
In.
We should take our seats.
The lights are flashing and everyone's going in.
The light was flashing and everyone were in.
We should take our seats now before the
We should take the seat now before
second act starts.
the second
Where does this
actors. Kita harus mengambil duduk sekarang sebelum second actor ya kalau nggak salah ya. Berarti itu kira-kira di mana? Take a seat itu mengambil tempat duduk.
conversation probably take place?
Airplane nggak mungkin, karena kalau di airplane itu kita nggak bisa milih tempat duduk. In a police car nggak mungkin, nggak ada. In a fireworks exhibit nggak. Pameran itu ya, firework itu kembang api ya, kembang api. Exhibit itu pameran, berarti in the theater itu bioskop. Ya, berarti yang 8C. Next.
Number 9.
Have you responded to Bob's dinner invitation yet?
Have you respond to the Bob dinner invitation yet? Apakah kamu sudah merespon Bob dinner invited? Kayak undangan dari Bob untuk dinner.
I'll take care of it right away.
I'll take care it right away.
What will the man probably do next?
Nah, kalau benar-benar nggak tahu artinya, eliminasi aja yang paling mirip dengan recording tadi. Take care, salah. Karena sangat jelas. Invite Bob to dinner, salah. Kan yang undang Bob. Let Bob know that they accept this invitation. Ini paling beda ya. Respond to the woman's question. Bukan respond to the woman's question, tapi respond to the Bob's dinner invitation. Ya, berarti yang C. Sekarang 10.
Number 10.
Can you fill this prescription for me?
If you
Can you fill this prescription for me? Prescription itu apa? Resep obat.
leave the prescription, I can have it filled in about 10 minutes.
Fill the apa kemang?
Filled in about 10 minutes.
Fill this prescription for me.
If you leave the prescription,
If you leave the prescription
I can have it filled in about
and I can have filled them
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Who is the woman?
Nah, womannya siapa yang biasanya menerima resep itu? Dentist, dokter gigi enggak, teacher bukan, business manager bukan, berarti farmasis atau farmasi, orang yang apa namanya? Apoteker ya. Apoteker berarti jawabannya 10A. Oke, next ke skill selanjutnya. Ya, skill 5. Kalau tadi kita fokus who, what, and where, sekarang kita fokus who and what, but in passive voice. Kalau tadi kan aktif, kalau ini pasif. Pasif itu di misalnya gitu ya. Misal buku itu dibawa oleh adik, itu pasif. Nah, fokusnya ke who atau dan what dalam bentuk pasif. Did Sally go to the bank this morning? Yes, she did. She got a new checking account. What does the woman imply? Woman berarti yang kedua ya, tetap skill pertama ya. Sally wrote several checks. Apakah dia menulis beberapa cek? Tidak.
Gak berubah.
Apa toh?
Layarnya.
Layarnya gak berubah. Nah, wes. Jadi kalau tadi kita what, who, and where, sekarang who, what dalam pasif ya, dalam pasif. Pasif itu yang di itu ya, be verb 3. Oke, did Sally go to the bank this morning? Apakah Sally pergi ke bank pagi ini? Terus womannya jawab, yes she did. Ya, dia pergi ke bank pagi ini. She got a new checking account. Dia mendapatkan checking account yang baru. What does the woman imply? Berarti kan yang kedua ya. A. Sally wrote several checks. Wrote itu bentuk kedua lah. Bentuk kedua atau bentuk lampaunya write, menulis. Apakah Sally menulis sendiri several checks? Enggak. Sally want to check up in the bank. Enggak. A new checking account was opened. Ya toh? A new checking account was opened. Nah, ini kan checking account-nya di belakang. Ini kan kata aktif, jawabannya pasif. A new checking account was opened. Be verb 3, dibuka. Berarti jawabannya yang C. Jadi biasanya kalau pertanyaannya ini ya, passive statements. If the dialogue contains a passive statement, the answer to the question is often an active statement. Jadi kalau dialognya pasif, jawabannya biasanya aktif. Kalau if the dialogue contains an active statement, the answer to the question is often a passive statement. Jadi kalau dialognya atau recordingnya aktif, biasanya jawabannya pasif. Terus check carefully who or what is doing the action in this question. Siapa yang melakukan aksi? Siapa yang melakukan kata kerja? Itu ya. Kalau yang melakukan kata kerja di depan berarti itu aktif ya kan? Kayak ini. She got a new checking account. Dia mendapatkan. Kalau ini new checking account-nya taruh depan. Berarti yang ini aktif, yang ini pasif jawabannya. Oke. Sekarang langsung kita mencoba soalnya. Jadi jawabannya aktif. Kalau jawabannya apa? Aktif berarti sebentar. Kalau pertanyaannya aktif berarti jawabannya pasif. Begitu juga sebaliknya. Berarti tadi exercise 5. Sudah siap didengarkan, Mbak Upit?
TOEFL Exercise 5. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of passives. Number 1.
Would you like to go to the new restaurant on the corner?
Is that the one that serves vegetarian food?
What does the woman want to know? Number 2.
Has Harry heard from the law school yet?
Yes, he was admitted by the law school for the fall semester.
What happened to Harry? Number 3.
Mark said that you were a lot of help.
Well, I took care of his plants while he was out of town.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
Do you know what happened during the lightning storm?
Yes, several trees were destroyed.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
Did you see Sally? Her leg's in a cast.
Yes, I know. She told me that she broke her leg skiing in the mountains.
What happened to Sally? Number 6.
The horses are not in very good shape now.
They were ridden too long and too hard.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
Why didn't you order coffee?
I thought it had already been ordered.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
How are your friends going to get home from the airport after their trip?
Their car was left in the airport lot.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
Has the class chosen a representative?
The other students appointed Mac class representative.
What does the woman mean? Number 10.
Wasn't the building damaged in the earthquake?
Yes, it was. And when this happened, the inhabitants were paid by the insurance company.
What does the man mean?
Oke, kita ulangi lagi ya. Fokus pada aktif dan pasif. Ya, sambil didengarkan artinya pelan-pelan. Jadi ini memang agak susah ya. Baik speaker 1 dan speaker 2 harus didengarkan. Kalau ada kesempatan untuk membaca jawaban, dibaca jawabannya terlebih dahulu secara scanning. Kita putar sekali lagi.
TOEFL Exercise 5. In this exercise, Listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of passives. Number 1.
Would you like to go to the new restaurant on the corner?
Is that the one that serves vegetarian food?
What does the woman want to know? Number 2.
Has Harry heard from the law school yet?
Yes, he was admitted by the law school for the fall semester.
What happened to Harry? Number 3.
Mark said that you were a lot of help.
Well, I took care of his plants while he was out of town.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
Do you know what happened during the lightning storm?
Yes, several trees were destroyed.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
Did you see Sally? Her leg's in a cast.
Yes, I know. She told me that she broke her leg skiing in the mountains.
What happened to Sally? Number 6.
The horses are not in very good shape now.
They were ridden too long and too hard.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
Why didn't you order coffee?
I thought it had already been ordered.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
How are your friends going to get home from the airport after their trip?
Their car was left in the airport lot.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
Has the class chosen a representative?
The other students appointed Mac class representative.
What does the woman mean? Number 10.
Wasn't the building damaged in the earthquake?
Yes, it was. And when this happened, the inhabitants were paid by the insurance company.
What does the man mean?
Oke, silakan Mbak Pita diketikkan jawabannya. Nanti saya hitung berapa yang benar.
Nggak salah piye?
Ya ora apa-apa toh wong sik belajar kok salah ya ora apa-apa.
Udah cuwipet lah, bro.
Ya kan jenenge ya kudu dibiasakan nanti berarti.
Apa nih? Bingung nih aku nih.
Oh, aku salah siji ya. Ini saya salah nomor B, C, D. Oke, nomor
Salah,
9
salah,
aku
salah.
salah.
Sik. Lu ngawur Ulah.
Aku salah nomor 9. Oke. Sudah? Oke, saya cek. Nggak oleh jawab lurung ini ki.
Nanti tak duai. Walah.
Nomor
Ya,
1
nang yo.
betul. Nomor 1 salah. Nomor 2 betul. Nomor 3 salah. Pokoknya jawab lurung salah. Nomor 4 salah. Nomor 5 salah. Nomor 6 betul. Nomor 7 salah. Nomor 8. 8 apa? Ayo. Salah. 9, 10. 9, 10. 6 C, B, A, A, C. C, B, A, C, B. Salah ya. Oke. Jadi gini, Pit. Kita itu fokus aktif pasif aktif pasif. Jadi cara cepatnya aktif pasif itu gimana? Kita dengarkan recordingnya. Kalau misal Susi membawa buku, berarti jawabannya nanti bukunya yang di depan. Jawabannya gitu. Nanti ini kita bahas.
TOEFL Exercise 5. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of passives. Number 1.
Would you like to go to the new restaurant on the corner?
Would you like to go to the new restaurant on the corner?
Is that the one that serves vegetarian food?
Is that the one that serve vegetarian food? Vegetarian foodnya di belakang toh. Nah, nanti jawabannya biasanya cari yang vegetarian foodnya di depan. Yang D. Ya, jawabannya yang D. Pokok untuk enak-enakan gitu. Yang A salah, kita pakai skill yang kedua kalau nggak salah ya. Dicek lagi ya, skill keberapa saya nggak hafal. Yang A salah karena terlalu mirip dengan recording gitu loh ya. Kita hindari yang benar-benar mirip dengan recording. Jadi supaya probabilitas benar kita itu lebih tinggi. Ya, kita dengarkan lagi ya. Ini tadi kan masih kalau pertanyaannya aktif, jawabannya pasif. Caranya gimana? Dibalik. Ya, dibalik.
The corner?
Is that the one?
Like to go to the new restaurant on the corner?
Is that the one that serves vegetarian food?
Is that the one that serve vegetarian food? Apakah itu yang menyajikan makanan vegetarian? Nah, kan ceweknya tanya tuh, apakah itu yang menawarkan vegetarian food? Berarti jika vegetarian food can be obtained, dapat diorder. Gitu, kan dibalik. Tadi kan ngomong vegetarian foodnya di belakang, pilih jawaban yang vegetarian food di depan, yang D berarti. Kalau untuk cara cepatnya seperti itu. Sekarang yang nomor 2.
What does the woman want to know? Number 2.
Has Harry heard from the law school yet?
Has Harry heard from the law school yet? Apakah Harry sudah heard? Heard itu bentuk ketiganya hear ya. Karena di depannya ada has, maka ini kata tanya yang perfect present perfect. Has Harry heard from the law school yet? Law school. Jadi kayak jurusan hukum ya. Jawabannya,
Yes, he was admitted by the law school for the fall semester.
he was admitted from the law school on the fall semester ya, kalau nggak salah ya. Kita dengarkan ulang.
Yes, he was admitted by the law
Yes, he is admitted
school for the fall semester.
from the law school for the first semester. Berarti he has admitted. Kita ulangi ya.
Law school yet?
Yes, he was admitted by the law school for
He was admitted.
the fall semester.
He was admitted for the law school. Berarti he sama law school. Dia diterima ya. He was admitted. Dia diterima di law school. Berarti cari yang law schoolnya di depan. Kan he-nya tadi udah di depan. He bla 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 law school. Berarti pilih yang law school bla 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 he gitu ya. Him deh kan karena jadi objek. Berarti kan antara B dan B aja kan ya. The law school accepted him as a student. Law school menerima dia sebagai murid. Berarti jawabannya yang B. Kalau pertanyaannya kan he was admitted ya. Dia diterima. Was admitted, diterima. Pasif. Jawabannya accepted. Admitted, accepted itu sama ya di sini, di konteks ini. Jadi kalau pertanyaannya dia diterima di law school, berarti jawabannya law school menerima dia, gitu kan? Berarti yang B. The law school accepted him. Langsung tadi bisa mencongak itu ya, langsung B. Gitu.
What happened to Harry?
Sekarang yang nomor 3.
Number 3.
Mark said that you were a lot of help.
Well, I took care of his plants while he was out of town.
Oke. Nomor 3. Perhatikan speaker yang kedua ya.
Mark said that you were a lot of help.
Well, I took care of his plants.
Well, I take care of his plant.
While he was out of town.
What do
I take care. Berarti take care kan aktif ya, Mark. Berarti marknya yang di depan sekarang. Jawabannya marknya yang di depan. Antara A, B, dan C. Kita ulangi lagi. Yang D pasti salah ya, bisa dieliminasi.
Mark said that you were a lot of help.
Well,
Number 3.
Mark said that you were a lot of help.
Mark said you a lot of help.
well, I took care of his plants while
Well, I take care of his plants tumbuhan,
he was out of town.
when he was out of town, ketika dia di luar kota. Berarti kan ceweknya bilang I take care his plants. Berarti I take care his plants. Berarti itu kan aktif. Berarti jawabannya yang pasif. Berarti his plants. Itu kan tanamannya Mark ya. His plants itu kan berarti Mark's plants. Berarti pilih yang Mark's plants. Berarti yang A, tanaman ya. Ini out of town. Ini kan
What does the
sama
woman
dengan
mean?
recording. Aduh. Kok jadi kecepatan. Oke. Itu ya berarti jawabannya yang A. Mark's plants were cared for in his absence. Ini kan bener-bener yang nggak sama ya. Tanaman Mark dirawat selama, for itu selain untuk juga selama loh ya. Selama in his absence, ketidakadaannya dia. Absen itu artinya tidak ada ya. Keabsenan dia, ketidakadaan dia. Ya, kalau yang B itu kan terlalu mirip. Out of town tadi ada. Intinya Mark itu minta tolong si ceweknya itu untuk menjaga tanamannya ketika dia di luar kota. Terus si cewek bilang dia memang menjaga tanaman Mark. Menjaga tanaman Mark berarti jawabannya tanaman Mark dijaga. Nah, berarti Mark's plant were cared. Oke, nomor 4.
Number 4.
Do you know what happened during the lightning storm?
Did you know what happened when the lightning storm? Badai ya kayaknya.
Number 4.
Do you know what happened during the lightning storm?
Oh,
Yes.
did you know what happened during the lightning storms?
Several trees were destroyed.
Several trees were destroyed. Several trees were destroyed. Were destroyed. Pasif. Beberapa pohon tumbang. Were destroyed. Beberapa pohon tumbang atau ambruk ya. Were destroyed. Beberapa pohon tumbang. Berarti nanti jawabannya aktif. Ya. Were destroyed. Be verb 3. Berarti jawabannya aktif. Siapa yang mendestroy pohon? Destroy itu sama dengan damage, ya. Damage. Berarti jawabannya yang B. The storm damaged the trees. Ya. The storm damaged the trees. Jawabannya yang B. Kenapa? Karena tadi trees-nya disebutkan di awal, ya. Coba yang speaker kedua ya.
You know what happened during the lightning storm?
Yes, several trees were destroyed.
Several trees were destroyed. Kan disebutkan di depan trees-nya. Berarti sekarang yang belakang. Dari A, B, C, D, trees yang di belakang. Maksud di belakang itu setelah kata kerja ya. Itu hanya yang B. The storm damaged the tree. Jadi badai atau kilat itu merusak pohon. Merusak ini aktif karena tadi recordingnya pasif. The several trees were destroyed. Beberapa pohon dirusak atau rusak. Oke, jawabannya yang B. Sekarang 5.
What does the man mean?
Sebentar, pertanyaan dari Bu Primi. Ya, tadi sudah saya jelaskan ya sebelum Bu Primi
Number
masuk.
5.
Berarti harus bisa mencerna bentuk pasif dan aktif. Iya. Bagaimana cirinya? Cirinya kalau aktif kan langsung kata kerja ya. Saya membawa buku. I bring the book. Kalau pasif, ya berarti bukunya taruh depan. Book is brought by me. Be verb 3. Misal saya memakan bakso. I eat the meatball. Kalau bakso dimakan oleh saya, berarti the meatball is eaten by me. Aktif kan, kalau aktif ya tinggal kata kerja ya, subjek, verb, objek. Kalau pasif ya berarti objeknya taruh depan, kata kerjanya jadi be verb 3. Ya, be verb 3. Nah, be verb 3. Berarti bakso is eaten by me. Gitu ya. Jadi salah satu cirinya ya dibalik, objeknya taruh noun yang awalnya di belakang di switch, ditukar jadi di depan. Gitu.
Did you see Sally? Her leg's in a cast.
Did you see the Sally? Her leg in a cast.
Yes, I know. She told me that she broke her leg skiing in the mountains.
Jadi saya ulangi ya yang nomor 5 ya.
Did you see Sally? Her leg's in a cast.
Yes, I know. She told me that she broke her leg skiing in the mountains.
She told me that she broke her leg. She broke her leg. Kita fokusnya di speaker yang kedua ya untuk cara cepatnya. She broke her legs. Dia mematahkan kakinya. Berarti kita cari jawaban yang kayak dia mematahkan kakinya. Berarti cari jawaban yang leg-nya di depan. Her leg-nya di depan. Dia mematahkan kakinya. Berarti kaki dipatahkan olehnya. Cari yang kira-kira kakinya sakit itu yang mana? Langsung kan bisa kita mencongak her leg was hurt ya. Kakinya tersakiti ya. Atau ya kayak kena insiden on a skiing trip. Jadi kita bisa langsung mencongak yang C. Kita lagi ya fokus ke speaker yang nomor 2.
Did you see Sally? Her leg's in a cast.
Yes, I know. She told me that she broke her leg
She broke her leg. She broke her leg. Berarti her leg was bla 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 broke gitu ya. Was broke bla bla bla. Berarti cari yang her leg di depan. Ini mudah, berarti langsung yang C. She broke her leg. Berarti her leg was hurt. Gitu ya. Kemudian juga dikombinasikan dengan skill yang sebelumnya ya. Pilih yang benar-benar berbeda dari recording. Berarti jawabannya yang 5 adalah C. Oke. Sekarang nomor 6.
skiing in the mountains.
What happened to Sally? Number 6.
The horses are not in very good shape now.
They were
The horse were not in very good shape now. Intinya horsesnya tidak dalam kondisi yang baik.
ridden too long and too hard.
What does
Very good shape now.
They were ridden too long.
They were ridden. They were ridden. Mereka di situ ada be verb 3. They were ridden. Mereka ditumpai ya, ditumpai, dikendarai ya.
long and too hard.
Too long and
what
too
does the man
hard. Terlalu jauh dan terlalu berat ya. Too long. Long kan panjang, tapi konteks di sini kan jarak ya, berarti bukan panjang tapi jauh. Kita dengarkan lagi.
They were ridden too long and too hard.
They were ridden. Mereka dikendarai too long and too hard. Mereka dikendarai terlalu jauh dan berat. Berarti itu pasif kan? Were ridden. Berarti kita mencari yang aktif. B pasif pasti salah ya. It was hard. Oh, ini salah. B sama D salah. Berarti yang mana? The road the horses took was long and hard. Ini terlalu mirip dengan
What does the man
recording. Ya, yang 6A itu terlalu mirip dengan recording pasti salah. Was long and hard pasti salah. Kita nggak ngomongin tentang jalan ya, kita ngomongin tentang kuda. It was hard to find the hidden horse. Kita nggak ngomongin hidden horse ya. Hidden ini tadi apa namanya? Mirip-mirip dengan ridden. Dengan apa? Ride. Sekarang the riders work the horse too much. Ini yang betul ya. The riders itu kayak yang mengendalikan itu loh ya. Work, mempekerjakan horses, kuda itu terlalu banyak, terlalu keras ya. Mempekerjakan the horse. Tadi kan the horsesnya taruh depan ya. The horses were ridden. Sekarang the horsesnya taruh di belakang. Ridernya yang di depan. Ini aktif. Karena tadi soalnya pasif, kudanya dikendarai oleh sopir kan, berarti kuda dikendarai oleh sopir terlalu long and hard. Berarti sekarang dibalik. Sopir mengendarai atau mempekerjakan horse. Gitu. Berarti yang C.
mean?
Nomor 7 sekarang.
Number 7.
Why didn't you order coffee?
I thought it had already been ordered.
What does the man mean?
I thought that they have been already order. Bentar, kita cek lagi.
Why didn't you order coffee?
I thought it had already been ordered.
They already have been order. I thought. Thought itu bentuk kedua dari think. Saya pikir sudah diorder. Have been ordered. Telah diorder. Have been ordered. Been di sini be, ordernya verb 3, berarti pasif. Berarti jawabannya pasti yang bentuk aktif. Kita eliminasi dulu jawaban-jawaban yang pasif. Berarti yang D pasti salah. He didn't want the coffee, enggak. He wasn't sure, enggak. Berarti yang C. I think, biasanya tuh I think tuh I assume. The woman had ordered coffee. Dia mengira woman telah memesan coffee. Ini kan woman had ordered, ini kan aktif. Had ordered. Karena tadi have been ordered, berarti bentuk aktifnya adalah had ordered. Gitu ya. Jadi cowoknya tadi bilang, saya pikir sudah diorder. Berarti jawabannya dia pikir perempuan itu sudah mengorder atau memesan. Jadi kebalikannya. Next. Nomor 8.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
How are your friends going to get home from the airport after their trip?
Their car was left in the airport lot.
His car was left in the park. Jadi ini yang cowok tuh tanya, bagaimana temanmu pulang dari cara temanmu balik dari airport, terus dijawab dia mobilnya diparkir di airport. Coba kita lagi.
Number 8.
How are your friends going to get home
How are your friend going to get home
from the airport after the
from the airport
trip?
after trip? Setelah trip, bepergian.
Their car was left in the
The car was left. Ini sudah jelas, ini adalah pasif. The car was left. Be verb 3. The car was left. Car-nya ditinggalkan. Was left. Kalau left aja meninggalkan. Kalau was left ditinggalkan
airport lot.
in the airport lot, parking lot atau itu. Jadi pasif toh, berarti kita milih yang aktif. Kita eliminasi yang aktif-aktif dulu. Salah. The car was parked ya. Pertanyaannya pasif, jawabannya aktif ya. Kita ulangi.
What does the woman
Their car was left in the airport.
Her car was parked. Piye?
Get home from the airport after their trip.
Their car was left in the airport lot.
Was left, ditinggalkan. Ya, itu pasif. Kita ulang lagi ya.
How are your friends going to get home from the airport after their trip?
Their car was left in the airport lot.
Was left, ditinggalkan. Itu kan berarti pasif, berarti jawabnya yang aktif. Yang aktif hanya yang B, ya. The friend parked their car at the airport. Temannya memarkirkan mobil, ya toh, park car, memarkirkan mobilnya di airport. Kalau tadi kan mobilnya kan diparkir di parkiran airport, berarti jawabannya adalah temannya memarkirkan. Park itu memarkirkan. Berarti B. Jadi tinggal dibalik ya. Tadi kan car-nya yang disebut duluan, sekarang car-nya yang belakangan. Oke, berarti jawabannya yang B. Nomor 9.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
Has the class chosen a representative?
The other students appointed Mac class
Other student appointed Mac
representative.
is representative. Oke, fokus ke second speaker ya.
Number 9.
Has the class chosen a representative?
The other students appointed Mac class.
The other student appointed Max class. Itu sudah jelas kalau itu adalah aktif. Appointed Max class. Memilih. Appointed itu memilih ya. Tapi bentuk kedua. Appointed Max. Jadi anak-anak, student appointed Max. Berarti
Class
anak-anak
representative.
memilih kelasnya Max. Memilih. Berarti jawabannya pasti yang pasif. Appointed itu memilih, memilih apalagi selain appointed yaitu choose. Berarti jawabannya yang D. Dari A, B, C, D yang terlihat pasif itu hanya yang D. B dan D ya. Tapi yang B nggak cocok, was present. Karena tadi ada appointed yang artinya memilih, yang sama dengan was chosen, dipilih yang bentuk pasifnya. Ya, berarti jawabannya yang D.
What does the woman mean?
The last question, number 10.
Number 10.
Wasn't the building damaged in the earthquake?
Yes, it was. And when this happened, the inhabitants were paid by the insurance company.
The inhabitants were paid. The inhabitants were paid. Were paid. Terlihat sekali bahwa ini pasif. The inhabitants were paid. Inhabitant itu penduduk atau penghuni ya. Penghuni were paid. Dibayari. Dibayarkan.
What does the man mean?
Yes, it was. And when this happened, the inhabitants were paid by the insurance company.
The inhabitants were paid by the insurance company ya kalau nggak salah ya. Berarti penduduknya dibayar atau diganti rugi oleh insurance company. Berarti diganti rugi, dibayar. Di berarti pasif, berarti pilih yang aktif. Nah, ini kebetulan semuanya aktif ya. Nah, tapi yang belakang taruh di depan. Tadi yang paling belakang kan insurance ya, insurance company. Berarti sekarang insurance company-nya di depan. Ada dua, B dan D. The insurance company insisted. Apakah insisted atau paid? Paid kan membayar. Berarti kan membayar. Tadi kan ya. Gimana? Oke. Ya, berarti yang D ya. Kita ulangi lagi.
Damaged in the earthquake?
Yes, it was. And when this happened, the inhabitants were paid by the
The inhabitants were paid
insurance company.
by insurance
What does
company. Berarti pilih yang insurance company-nya di depan. Karena tadi di soalnya kan insurance company-nya ditaruh di belakang. Pasif. Sekarang diaktifkan berarti insurance company paid, membayar for the earthquake damage. Untuk kerusakan yang disebabkan oleh gempa bumi. Jadi jawabannya yang D. Oke. Ternyata target kita yang skill 4-6 hanya terpenuhi 4-5 ya. Jadi nanti untuk pertemuan selanjutnya untuk Senin nanti kita ke structure, kemudian Senin sih, Selasa ke structure, Rabu depan kita ke reading skill. Berarti Senin depannya lagi kita ke listening lagi. Jadi hari ini cuma skill 4 dan 5 ya, nggak apa-apa. Sudah banyak nih soalnya. Oke, bisa diputar lagi ya. Tadi yang mungkin tidak mengikuti kelas atau yang telat bisa diputar untuk materi yang ketinggalan. Sebelum kita akhiri, mari kita berdoa terlebih dahulu. Berdoa mulai. Berdoa selesai. Assalamualaikum. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.